Well, on these French doors, we've already fitted the draft dodgers around the perimeter and we fitted the EMV down the centre. So the next part is, of course, to fit the butt threshold treatment on the bottom of the doors. So that comprises a section of draft dodger fitted with a brush. The brush is already fully fitted in the draft dodger. So this one I've already cut for this particular door, so it goes from the draft dodgers on the side to the end of the door. Now to fit this, we use the fitting packer of course, but we use the pointy side, and that fits just under the draft dodger itself, not the brush, just the draft dodger. Okay, so that's how we're going to fit that. So let's do that now. I'm going to start on the right hand side, and as usual we peel back some of the liner. Now let's put the fitting packer under the draft dodger, tack it on, and we move that forward a little bit, pushing the draft dodger down onto the packer and pull out some liner. Push that on and just repeat that. You can hear the brush making a little squishing sound as it's compressed onto the threshold. So the last little bit, pull that out, press on. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's just press it all home, as we always must. Right. That's butt threshold treatment. Well, you can see on the left hand door, this is the inactive door, has got a face mounted bolt. And so that means that we have to do the treatment in two parts. One section that goes on the left hand side and a small section that goes on the right hand side. Okay, so while the section on the right hand side is self-adhesive and we can stick it on, it's really good practice to screw fix small sections like this, otherwise you'll find that they will fall off. Okay, so let's go ahead with that now. Okay, we're going to screw fix this little section here so that it doesn't fall off. The first part, I've got a couple of screws here for the purpose. They're brass like other fittings on this door. So the first thing is to drill a couple of clearance holes through the moulding, and then we'll put the screws in. Well, you can see that we've screw fixed this section, and so that's never going to fall off. unless we want it to, and everything's draft proof beautifully. Job well done.